Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, we are running through all of the recipes inside the 5-ingredient Renal diet cookbook. These recipes are kidney friendly. They're low in sodium, low in phosphorus, and low in potassium. So if you want to grab your copy, it's available on Amazon and I'll have a link in my caption. So let's get into it. Today we're making Helsinki Tofu Scramble. For this recipe, you're going to need curry powder, lettuce, extra virgin olive oil, an onion, a red pepper, low sodium vegetable broth, tofu, and salt. So our first step is to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable broth to a skillet and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then you're gonna wanna cut up 1/4 of a red pepper just in chunks and also add that to your pan. You're going to want to chop up 1/4 of an onion as well. I'll take you with me and we'll go add that. Red pepper and our onion. And you're gonna wanna saute this for about 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna measure out 5 ounces of tofu and we want to make sure that we're draining this as well. Okay. And then we're just going to chop it into chunks and then we'll add it to our pan. And then while that's cooking, we're going to chop up our lettuce and we need 1/4 cup. Now we just want to take a wooden spoon and chop it into smaller pieces. Now we're going to add 1/3 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/16 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to mix that around until the spices are evenly distributed. Now I've added my 1/4 cup of lettuce and we're just going to stir this until it's wilted, so about 1 minute, and then we'll serve it. Okay, so now that it's complete, this is what it looks like. It looks good. Hot. I think this is a really good breakfast, or maybe if you wanted like a lighter dinner. I think this is really good. It has a lot of flavor and I'm actually quite impressed by it. And the fact that it could work really for any meal is also a plus. Just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe. So I have a link in my caption. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.